guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be bowling today. Without further ado, let's have fun. Well, it's now time for bowling time. 11 pounds in blue, the more you know. There. Don't know how to throw it. Throw number 10.
You gotta go up more.
Go closer to the line, H.
Okay, I wish you luck, Mom. Nice. Nice. You did it, Mom.
Of course, Mom will get the first one.
Dad, how are you gonna beat that?
I don't think I can.
Oh man!
Well, you hit. Now you only have a twin pin tower to hit. You gotta be kidding me. No, I don't. Okay. Okay, you got A.
Let's see what I got.
Oh. What the?
That's how hard I threw it.
Oh my. You hit all the pins.
Let's go, AJ. Good luck. Let's go, baby. Stay.
Oh my.
Keep trying.
Why?
Don't cross the foul line.
Like a rocket ship, baby. Yes! Yeah! Okay, good luck, Mom.
Yep, she won.
Yeah, she won.
There's absolutely no way I can catch up. I can't let my final recording be gutters.
Show him, Dad.
That's 3 gutters in a row.
3 gutters. 3. A double.
That's 4 gutters in a row, guys. 4.
I made it. Yeah, I made
Call me the
it.
gutter man. Update, Mom won.
Yeah, Mom almost made 100. Like, subscribe. Hopefully we can see you again. Without further ado, see you in another video. Bye. Yeah, see you another time.